Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Code Java. In last video we discussed about this index of. Now we will discuss about this replace. So how to replace characters somewhere in a string. I want to replace the characters. How that will happen we'll see here now. See, for that here I am creating one new project on the name of replace. So here I am creating this new project, string replace. Then what we will do here is string replace. Here I'll create one package, then one class. String replace. Here I am creating one package name called as a com.replace. Here I am creating one class. Class name is also I am taking as a string replace. Okay, so here I'll add this that we missed. So here instead of writing this we'll add this directly. So the main class has created here. Now here I'm creating one string s1 equal to new string of, here what we will write here, I'll write some Java jug jar single. I'll write multiple words here. So I want to replace here something. So here what we will do is system dot out dot println. So here I want to replace something that. So how we want to replace something here? I want to replace J with B. See here, what is the output here? We'll see this system.out.println. What happened? Remove. So here string, what we define here is dot replace of this. We need to write this replace of this. See, now I'm running this. See here, Java. See, first one is a capital, all small letters are replaced. Jug with bug, jar with bar, jungle with bungle, like that. We need to replace. It is also in a case sensitive, we need to replace wherever we want. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates.